Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see the top 3 AI website builders. If you want to build a website and you don't know the coding but you want it to be created with the help of AI, and in this video, I'll show you the 3 top free AI builders. So the number one platform is Mixo. You can simply search for it. You will be onto its website. Click on get started for free. Then you have to describe your business, like what sort of website you want to be created. Simply explain your idea, like we give the prompt to any AI chatbot. Simply do the same thing up here, and after that, send your prompt. Then choose what is your goal. There are four different options. You can go with the one that matches with your goal. After that, you have to click on generate my site and it will start generating it. This will just take a while. Meanwhile, it will show you what it is doing. And once this loading gets done, then our website will be created. So this is how the website looks. You can see. And if you want to do any sort of changings, you can do it. You just have to simply save it and then you will be able to customize it as per your choices, like you can change the images, tags, color, size, layout, whatever you want to. So just simply save it and sign up using your email address and you will be able to edit it. Then we have the 10 web. You can just simply search for it and get to its website. Click on generate AI website. Here you have to explain your idea, like what you want in your website and what it is for. Simply explain all that and click on generate. You just have to simply give it a prompt like we do onto any other AI chatbot and tell it to generate the website on it. Then it will start creating website and it will create different components, like it will give you the text that will be onto your website. Then it will design the layout, color, theme, images and everything. And after that it will show you the different pages or the elements that it will add into your website. So you can go through all that. If you want to do any customization here, you can do it. Later on the website will be built onto it. You can add the page, you can add the titles, you can add different sort of things. Once you're okay with that and you have reviewed it, you have to simply click onto the option to start generating onto it, and after that the website will get onto what changings you do or what things you get agree onto it. After that the website will be created and you can just simply do some customization like color and stuff, and then you have to simply log in or sign up using your email address, and then you will be able to see your website. So that's how the website will look. It has added all the elements and everything. You can also get the mobile view, and if you want to do edit or the customization, there's the option for it. You can customize anything, the text, images, layout, color, pages, whatever you want, everything is here. You can customize as per your choice. Then we have the Uncody. You can just simply search for it, get to its website and click on generate for free. This website is totally free. You just have to simply sign up using your email address. And once you do it, you can simply start creating your website. Here, you first have to simply choose the language. Then you can choose your goal and your target audience. It could be anything, whatever you want to add, and you can also select your unique selling point, which is your USP, which makes you differentiate from others. Then you can also add the description for your business so the AI can understand your business well, and based on that it gives you the best result. Then you can just simply go and start generating. This process will hardly take a minute, and after that your website will be created. So this is how the website will look. If you want any customization, you can do it. On the left side we have all the pages, all the elements. You can just, so these three websites are the best and the top AI website builders that are free and easy to use. Now I have explained all of these. Now it's up to you. You can just simply go to their website and start using it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.